How to fix Instagram not showing likes. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if Instagram isn't showing you likes. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If Instagram is not showing likes, why could this be happening? So if you open up Instagram, maybe you liked someone's post over here, but it is not showing the number of likes in that post. Now this could be because the creator themselves have turned off likes for that particular post, and that's why you're not being able to see the number of likes. But sometimes it could be within your own account settings also that you have disabled these. So you can just go to your profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and tap on the search bar over there from the top. So once we tap on the search bar, what we're going to do is we're going to type in something like and share counts. Then you'll find that option there. Here you can see this option that says hide like and share counts is currently enabled. So what you have to do is just turn off this toggle. And when you turn off this toggle, you'll be able to see the like and share counts for all of the Instagram posts across Instagram. Now, on very rare occasions, someone might actually disable their like and share counts by default, but other than that, you should be able to see the number of likes a certain post has. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.